So here I am from the Dr. Smith Education Consultancy and I am with the students of the Tambov State Medical University of the Russia. It's our get together and we are going to get departed at the 22nd of the August. So let's take the feedback of the students of the Tambov State Medical University.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Good morning. My name is Janil Lakad. I am from Surat, Gujarat. I took admission in Tambov State Medical University in Russia through support of Dr. Smith Education Consultancy. I am thankful to Dr. Kanu sir and Asmita ma'am Buha. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Gajera Darshit Bharatbhai. I am from Surat, Gujarat and I took admission in Tambov State Medical University through support of Dr. Smith Consultancy. I am grateful to Dr. Kanu sir Buha and Asmita ma'am for their invaluable support. Thank you.
Hello, myself Harshali Pawar. I am from Surat, Gujarat. I took admission in Tambov University. I am thankful for Smith education and thankful for Kanu sir and Asmita ma'am.